Okay, who is here?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, my brother.
Yeah, what you want to do, bros?
Now get internet.
Yes. What you want to do?
Okay. Yeah, I want create email.
Okay. Sit down.
Okay.
Na Gmail, I be na Yahoo.
Stop.
Okay, ma do Gmail for you.
Okay.
Na Gmail simple pass. Now everybody they use now.
Alright, that one go dey nice.
Okay. So, Oga, what be your name?
My name na James Messiah.
James Messiah. Okay, bros. Which password you go like more use for you?
I go send you use my phone number.
Your phone number, ba?
My phone number.
Okay. I better call am. Oga, this your password. It too weak, oh.
How?
It too weak.
Which
You
one?
choose another one be that.
Okay, like which one?
I don't know now. Now you get your password now. Bros, do quick now. No time.
I think we'll use Aerofy.
Aerofy.
Okay.
The password too short.
What?
Computer said the password too short.
What do we do now?
You go choose another one now. Way long.
Okay, hold on. Try Buhari now. Let's use Buhari.
Buhari.
We'll use Buhari.
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 Oga, the password too strong. It's too stingy.
I
Choose another one. Choose another one.
We'll try National Assembly.
Yeah? National Assembly.
National Assembly.
National. What's happening? Where's my computer?
Charity Georgia Kolate.
Where on my computer?